In a small village, there lived a young boy named Rakib. His family lived in a tiny house with a broken tin roof. Whenever it rained, water would leak inside. His father worked as a day laborer, while his mother worked in other people's homes. There were many nights when the whole family had to go to bed without dinner. But Rakib had a big dream. He would often look up at the sky and say, "One day, I won't be poor anymore. I will change my family's life." But dreaming is easy. Turning a dream into reality is hard. Rakib didn't have a good phone, nice clothes, or enough books to study. Still, he never gave up. During the day, he helped his father with work. At night, he studied under the dim light of a kerosene lamp. One day, Rakib got a job at a local businessman's store. He didn't just work there, he carefully observed everything. He learned how business worked, how customers made buying decisions, and how profits were made. After several years of learning and saving money, Rakib started his own small online business. In his first month, he made only $50 in profit. His friends laughed at him. One of them said, "You'll never become a successful businessman." But Rakib didn't listen. Instead, he learned from his mistakes, improved himself every day, and kept growing his business. After 1 year, his business was making thousands of dollars every month. And a few years later, Rakib became a millionaire. The boy who once struggled to survive was now the proud owner of his own company. The first thing he did was build a beautiful home for his parents. Standing in front of their new house, his mother cried and said, "Son, you really changed our lives." Rakib held his mother's hand and said, "Mom, I always remembered one thing, being born poor was never my fault, but staying poor forever is not a decision I have to make. Remember, your current situation does not determine your future. If your dreams are big, your effort must be big too. Start from wherever you are today. Maybe you don't have money. Maybe you don't have opportunities. Maybe nobody is there to help you. But if you have a dream, courage, and the determination to work hard, one day your story could become an inspiration for millions of people. Your beginning does not define your ending.